All right, so guys, now we are going to show you how to cut a v-neck, the front and its back. So the shirt that we are going to do, the back is going to what? 14, back 14, shirt back 14, shirt back 14. And so this fabric right here is two, the front and its back, and we have folded it into two. So when we fold it into two, this is the measurement that we are going to almost 90, or let's say like 90, right? And so when that means when we measure it all together, it's going to be what? 18 inches as the wideness of the width. So the front and the back length is what is going to get us to what? The shirt length. So we have make it um 26 inches, because we're gonna cut some part from it though, but for the sewing allowance and stuff. So but the real shirt length is going to be what? 23 inches, right? 23 inches, because it's back 14. So we are going to show you how to cut the v-neck. And so shirt back 14, if you want to cut the v-neck, this is exactly how you are going to take the measurement and cut it, or how to measure it. So you are going to first measure 2.5 inches on the width. So you are going to first measure 2.5 inches right here. When you are cutting a round neck, you measure 2.5 and 1, Abby. But the v-neck, we are going to measure 2.5 inches, right? And so we are gonna make it come to this the 2.5 that we have marked. You have to make it come to the back 2, so that is the 2 that we are going to cut and stitch, right? And so we are gonna measure another 2.5 right here. We're gonna measure another 2.5 inches right here, 2.5 inches right here. And so we are going to add the v-neck on. We are going to add the v-neck measurement to it. So the v-neck measurement, we are going to make it 3.5 or we are going to make it 3.5. Let's make it 3.5, or is it going to be shorter? Okay, so let's make it 3.5 Let's make it 3.5, so it's going to be long for the kid. So we're making it the v-neck length to 3.5. That is right here, right? And so this place, we are going to measure 1/2 inch right here, to draw it like this, 1/2 inch, and to draw it like this, 1/2 inch. Have you seen the way I've drawn it? And so from this place that we measured 2.5 right here, this place that we measured 2.5 right here, we are going to put the tape measure on it like this, slantly like this, and to mark it like this, straight to the down part of the half, straight to the down part of where we have marked the 1/2 inch right here, under here, right? And so this part is where we are going to cut the shoulders. This part too is where we are going to cut the shoulders slantly, right? Going to cut the shoulders slantly like this. And so the back, we haven't measured it, we're finished. So the back of the the v-neck, let's see, we have measured here to be 2.5 right here. So it's supposed to be here, 2.5 right here. So we are going to make here 2 to be 1.5. This place too, the length of it is going to be 1.5 inch. So we are cutting a v-neck. We are measuring and cut a v-neck. So this one too, the length is going to be 1.5. So we are going to draw this part too, just like we have drawn this one. So this one is a round neck back, right? It's like a round neck back, just the way we draw a round neck back, the same way we are going to do the v-neck back, just like this, right? So we are going to first cut the front, that is the v-neck itself. So we are going to first cut the v-neck, and after that we cut the back and we cut it together. We cut the shoulders to together. So once you please watch the way I'm cutting it, so that you're able to see exactly how I'm cutting it, right? So we are cutting it to the where we have marked it, right? So we have cut the v-neck, the front, all right? And so we are going to cut the back too, as it round neck, just like we cut a round neck. Then we will put we will be putting it together like this, and to what, cut the shoulders. Please, I hope you are seeing the way I'm doing it. So we're going to cut the shoulders together, just like we have what, marked it. So guys, this is exactly how to cut a V-neck. So when we open it, this is how the front is going to be looking. This is exactly how the front is going to be looking. So it's a setback 14, don't forget that. And so the back too is going to look this way. The front is looking like this, right? So the back too is going to look this way. The back too is going to look this way, right? So let's put the back on it like this, and the front on it like this, on the front on it like this, right? So this is exactly how to cut a what, a V-neck, a V-neck. So we are going to join the shoulders, but this is exactly how to cut the V-neck. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. The next video we are going to show you how to stitch the shoulders and the what, how to stitch the V-neck itself. All right, so guys, today's video we are going to show you how to cut how to stitch a V-neck shoulders, both the shoulders. So this is the V-neck, this is the V-neck, this is the front, and this is the back. And so we are going to put the front on the back like this. This fabric, the front and back looks the same, so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to join the shoulders by this. So please watch the way I'm doing, so that you will see exactly how I'm doing it, exactly how I'm stitching it. So I'm seeing it. So we are stitching it from a what, a 1/4 inch, or like almost a 1/2 inch on the shoulders, right? Almost a 1/2 inches on the what, the shoulders. And so guys, we have done the first part. We have done seeing the first part. So we are going to work the second part, to stitch the second part. And so the second part, did you see exactly how I did it? I turn it like this. You see, I've stitched this one, so I've turned this one to make it like this, to make it count this way. So we're going to stitch it on the shoulders like this. So please, we are stitching it on the what, a 1/2 inch. So please watch it carefully, so that you will see exactly how we did it. So we did it we are doing the same way we did the first one. So we are stitching a what, a V-neck shoulders. This is exactly how to stitch a V-neck what, exactly how to stitch shoulders. All right, so guys, we are cutting the excess thread from it. So we have done stitching the V-neck shoulders, and this is exactly how it's looking. This is exactly how it's looking after stitching it. So we are going to turn it. We're going to turn it and show you the results of it after what, stitching it, right? So after stitching it, this is exactly how it's going to be looking. This is exactly how it's going to be what, looking as a V-neck. We will iron this place. We iron this place to make it smooth. We iron this place to make it smooth. After that, we will bring the design that we're going to use for the V-neck stitch, or the V-neck sew. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.